What's up, people? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be using the worst assault rifle. The worst shotgun in the game. I never seen nobody using this like ever, bro. Do you ever see like anyone use this gun? Nobody uses this gun, man. Everyone hates this gun. I don't know if some people like it, but if you see anybody with this gun, comment down below. Alright, so, what should I play? Free for all. Alright, I'm gonna play free for all. And I'm gonna play in close range. I like this map, Nuketown. Alright. Alright, I'm in Nuketown, so, this gun is horrible, man. I don't think no one likes this gun. This gun is so horrible. Nobody really likes it that much. Oh, freak. Ooh, bruh. What a dumb camper. Alright, come on. Wait, never mind. Come on. Oh, this gun, bro. What? Am I wrong or something? Bro, I think I'm wrong about the worst gun. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, come on. Bro, why is it... Ah! Man, something is wrong with this gun. I don't know if I'm wrong, if it's good or not. Because not too much people use it. Bro, I'm already running out of ammo. Are you serious? Ooh. Bro, how am I supposed to use this gun? I guess I'm going to have to use this rocket launcher right here. I don't see any people. Nice. Fresh kill. What the... Hold up. Oh, what? How? Alright. I got no ammo, so I guess I'm gonna have to go up to him. Ah! You serious? I don't know if this gun is good or not. Is it? Bro. What? I don't know if I'm actually wrong. If this is the worst gun in the game. The worst shotgun. The worst shotgun in the game. Because this gun is a little bit good right now. Bro, I literally had to... this gun is a little bit trash, I guess. Alright. Ah! See, this gun is sometimes kind of trash. But I don't know if it's actually trash. Oh my gosh, bro. Yes. Yup, I'm dead. I'm dead. Come on. Alright, your boy is back. Ah. Man, bro. It's gone! It is pretty good. It is pretty good close range. Alright, your boy, oh, freak. Oh, I feel like there's a camper up there. Alright. Come on. Oh, this freaking gun, bro. It takes... Oh my god, this gun is kind of weak. Come on. Bro. Finally, bro. Damn, boy. Oh, no. Trying to kill me? No, you can't. Hey. That's what you get, boy. Finally, bro. Come on. Give me something good, boy. Hey, your boy is a beast. Alright. Sorry I didn't have my volume. Alright, this time. Come on. I'm gonna use it with attachments. Nice. We're fresh. Come on. I never used this gun, like, ever, bro. Sure. I have never ever used this gun. This gun is garbage, that's why. I mean, I don't know if it's actually garbage, but, what should I play now? What should I play? Nah, 10v10 Rust. Alright, free-for-all again. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm in the game, waiting for one more person. Hey, what's up, boy? Hey, man. What are you doing, boy? What's that? Alright, got my fresh baseball bat.
Free for all.
Can't use that anymore. Ooh, okay. I've never seen this gun like that. Alright, let's get it. Come on. Nice. What the? What? How, bro? I literally... What? Did you guys see that? I literally just shot him. What the heck? Oh my god. I feel like with a suppressor it's more weak. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Ah! This gun is so kinda garbage, I guess. I don't even know if it's actually garbage. Nice. What a camper, bro. Anyways, gotta... Come on. Oh, this gun moves a lot, bro. Oh, finally. Jeez. I hate how this gun moves a lot. What? How? Did you guys see that? Wait, what? Bro. Oh my god, are you serious? Alright, your boy is back. I had to connect to the internet or something like that. Freak. Yeah, I had to connect to the internet, bro. Jeez.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
This gun is a little bit trash. Oh, trying to kill me. Trying to kill me. No, you can't. You can't kill a beast. Alright.
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Good. Fresh. Oh, fresh. I think there's a UAV. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, bro. You think you're a pro? Gone! Come on. Nice, fresh. We're fresh. Oh my god, bro. Alright, we're almost done with the game. Some guy's trying to beat me.
Enemy is jamming our radar.
Oh, freak. Trying to kill me. What? I'm lagging. Oh my gosh. Alright, now I'm gonna kill him with this gun. What the? I'm lagging, bro. What? I'm lagging so much. Come on. Nice. We're fresh. Oh, freak. Oh, this gun. I mean, the game is about to be over, so fresh. What? I just knifed him. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. If you didn't, I'm gonna get so mad.